Walk up the choke, walk up the choke.
Uy, suko, i-shield ko eh.
Walk up the choke, walk up the choke.
Record that, ha?
Wag overextend, wag overextend. Wait for them, wait for them.
Wala namang revive roll, no?
Walk north, walk. Oh.
Okay,
So, hold
wala.
hold tayo dito sa choke. Parang gusto nila ng...
Rolling sila, oh.
I think kiting sila. Oo.
Ito, wag mo na bubaba. Wag mo na.
Kiting build sila.
Pero nakahammer yung isa. Nakagulin naman pala si Pepsi. Biglaan yan, mabilis yan mag-pull.
Sige. Baba kayo dito, Hold that choke. Hold it lang. Wag overextend.
Towards yun
Stick to
sila.
the wall, southwest wall. Huwag kayong magana. Engaging shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito.
Pasa.
Go back again. Go back.
Northwest sila.
Go back southeast. Wag bumaba. Southeast. Ready. Defensive. Walk in. Engaging. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Go back south. Left arm hold them. Go back south. Wait, southeast. Hold them.
Ayos ng laban ngayon. Masyado ngayon.
Wag muna. Wag fake yan lang. Fake lang yan. Go back.
Build lang yan, Falcon.
Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, wait. Ito. Yan. Go back south. May engage la. Left arm. Hold them. Demon. Walk in. Northeast. Walk in. Just walk in. Don't engage. Just walk in. Engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Go back south. East. Hug the wall. East. Go back south. Walk south.
Engaging sila.
Engaging. Go back south. Hold them this time. Hold them. Run. GG na ata to. Wala na tayo. Sorry.
GG.
Tapat ko lagi. Gina.
Wait. Hold. Wait caller.
Chop with me again.
So, ina-attack yung Scarbuster. Habok. Yung kalaban natin sa Kukuin.
Let's play choke fight first. Choke fight.
Sarap i-content, eh.
Kahit agad pag ano. Pag nag-shallow ka.
G na ba?
Wag mo na. South. Go back south. South. Hindi ka pala. Dito. Chop with me. Spread. This is fake. Boy, fake lang yan. Engaging inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Demon. Walk in. Roll them. Roll the healers. Jude. Go. Follow them.
GG agad, oh.
Hindi, namatay si Cook. Maganda yung tip na
Maganda yung 1, eh. Doon ko na-realize na 1.
Di sila maka-defensive dyan kasi focus din sa damage.
Biglaan.
Gubak, i-chopin mo, i-chopin mo, i-chopin mo. Pwede nga kung caller dahil.
No, pwede ka na, bro.
Galing, galing.
Yung defensive, meron pala yung mag-defensive, yung mag-demon. Kasi
Wala
parang
na dito. Control ba?
nahihirapan ako mag-call eh. Pag sabay ka mag-engage.
Gina daw.
GG, hold the choke. Hold the choke.
Piling ko sa ibang comms yan eh. Yung defensive.
Ito. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop, please. Go back. Potion. Go back south. Drop Judy. Go back south. Yes, go back south.
Naswell
South.
ka.
Follow them. Go back south. East. Wait, wag muna. Go back. Hold them.
Tanks? Saan yung tank?
Ito. Engaging
magtago,
inside. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, loaded.
Ay, galing.
Go back. They're looking. Ready, defensive. Defensive. Walk in. Just walk in. Roll them. Walk in. Just walk in. Ready path. Walk in. Hold them. Engaging. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Nice. Follow them. Just ready. Path. Defensive. Follow them. Just follow them. Go back south. Dami natin namatay. Go back south again.
Failure na lang ako. Like,
Tangila ba? Go back south. Ginata to.
Naglag.
GG lang. I-chat na agad, GG.
Parang nabitin test damage doon ah. Dami kami nakuha doon. Sige lang. Again. Inchapin mo.
Na mabilis silang makareact sa goaling mo, bre. Pag goaling mo, react agad sila.
Sige. Pag inside man, ano na lang to yun, 1-4 na lang to second. Drop and back run guys ha.
Pag malayo, pwede yung ang tawag dyan?
Wait.
Transform. Kaya nag-call, hammer. Hammer na siya.
Wait.
Go back. Sanity, go back.
Rolling.
Hold.
Itox pala yung
Choke.
Wait lang, pre.
Ano? Kuwang tagisa.
Wait lang daw sila.
Wait lang. Gina si Cook. Gina daw. Parang gusto nila doon ah. Go down. Ay, go back. Go back to the choke. Engaging in that choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Go back. Just go back. Hold. Drop. Left tank, hold them.
Buti nauna tayo. Buti sila oh.
Walk in. Go down. Ready guys. Go back, spread. Defensive. Spread guys, spread more. Engaging inside. In 3, 2, 1. Here. Inside. Walk in. Ready, giga. Respawn lagi sila. Go back. Just go back. Respawn sila. Go back. South. East. Go back. Looking. Resist pass. Defensive. Go back to the choke. Up to the choke. Here.